Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you that the best email marketing services for a small business 2021. Is email marketing priority for your business in 2021? Are you looking for the best email marketing software? Choosing the right email marketing services can have a significant impact on the success of your marketing campaign. In this article, we will review and compare the best 7 email marketing services for a small business. Why choosing the best email marketing is important. Email marketing is one of the most cost effective marketing strategy for a small business. According to according to the Direct Marketing Association, email marketing on the average sees 4300% return on investment for a business in the United States. This is because email marketing is easy to manage, give you a full control and allow you to establish direct contact with your customer. Not convenience on email marketing. See the 6 reason why building on the email list on the important today. The important to understand that the lot of your success with email marketing depends on the entirely on the email marketing software you choose, because they are responsible for making sure that your email actually get delivered. If you are not careful, then you will end up paying a lot of money for fewer marketing features and terrible email deliverability rate, which cause you to lose even more money. What to look for a good email marketing tool. A good email marketing services should enable you to create highly engaged email newsletter with the easy user interface. You should be able to easily send bulk emails that are actually personalized and targeted without a lot of work. This is also known as marketing automation. Aside from that, your email marketing services must make it easy to manage your contact list and track the performance of your email marketing campaign. Most importantly, a good email service provider ensure that your email campaign do not end up with the spam folder. Having said that, let's take a look at some of the most popular email marketing services provider and how they are stacked up against each other. Constant Content is the most largest and fastest growing email marketing services in the world. It is also the most easy use and beginner friendly email marketing service. You can easily manage your email list, contract, email template, marketing calendar and more. Each account gives you access to unlimited emails, easy tracking and reporting, bulking, built-in social media sharing tools, free image library, list segmentation, Facebook ads integration and powerful e-commerce integration. Their email plus accounts also come with the powerful features like email automation, drip campaign, survey and polls, coupons, online donation and a subject line A/B testing, which helps you to targeted emails to maximum of your open rate. Constant Contact offers unmatched customer support with the live chat, phone calls, email community support and the vast library of helpful resources. Aside from the online marketing, they are also offer a personalized live schema across the United States. This allows small business owner to quickly learn a basics email marketing and start using it, grow a small business like a pro. For all reasons above, we rate Constant Contact all the best email marketing services for a small business and startup. Has a 60-day free trial and no credit required after that purchasing. Start low $20 per month. Sendinblue. Sendinblue is a complete SMS send email marketing software for businesses. They are one of the fastest growing email marketing platform in Europe. It is an extremely easy to use platform with the excellent tools and create a beautiful and highly engaging emails. Their simple drag and drop emails editor to perfect for beginning no experience no in email marketing. Sendinblue includes beginner friendly marketing automation tools that allow you to send transactional emails, create workflow and automatic follow up emails and segment users. It can also select the best time to send bulk emails using their all algorithms to ensure the best email deliverability. Sendinblue offer a completely free email marketing plans, unlimited contracts. Their free plans lets you to send up 300 mails per day. but all your emails have their branding. Their paid plans start from $25 per month for a life. You can also include SMS to your account, but the pricing will vary based on the sending requirement. They have improved their premium plans recently to include the more advanced feature like a landing page builder, live chat, sales, CRP, and the Facebook ads algorithms. This means user now get more value for the same price. Sendinblue also offer a separate SMTP bulk image marketing services which you can use to power automated and transactional emails from the WordPress site. You do not need to this email marketing campaign, but it is nice functionally to have you a large website and you have automatic